Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, before starting this video, I want to tell one thing that this video is about the health science and the medical science courses, and as I mentioned on the thumbnail, that is more than 200 courses are available under these categories. So if you under this category or if you want to study under this category, then please watch video up to the last minute and don't miss any part so that you're not able to enroll on this course. So now we'll move on to the content. So go to the browser first. So here is the website where you can learn the courses for the health training, and these courses are relevant to the medical science also, so you can go through these courses and learn these courses, and these courses are totally free and certificate also provide, so don't worry about it. And the link for these courses I will share on the description part. And there is also one more website that I will tell you. First we'll cover this website, then we'll go to the next website and I will tell you that which courses are available on that website and this website and how to enroll for these courses. These are the topic on which the courses are covered. That first topic is research process and method, social science, ethics and communities, infection, immunity and resistance, women and child health. Then last one is the laboratory, vector and diagnostic. So under these topics there are various short courses are available under all these topics, so you can learn each course and get the certificate for each courses also. These courses are really important for all of you guys, so I hope you can enjoy this course and get the information from these courses and don't miss to learn these courses. Okay, so first topic is the research process and method. See, under this first course is introduction to clinical research, second is good clinical practice, third one is the research question, fourth one is the study protocol, next the data safety monitoring boards for clinical trials. See here, next these are the courses under the first topic. And the next topic is social science, ethics and communities. Under this the first course is introduction to informed consent, next topic is infection, immunity and resistance, that is the neurological infectious disease. First course is, second course is the maternal infection, third one is transmission, surveillance, control and prevention of yellow fever. So next topic is women and child health. Under this first course is clinical and children research. So our last topic is laboratory, vectors and diagnostic. First course is introduction to good clinical laboratory practice, and next course is good clinical laboratory practice. And now I'll tell you how to enroll for this course. So for example, I'll tell you, if I want to do introduction to clinical research, then click on it, the page will be load, this page will be open. See here which university this course is provided, University of Oxford, and the course overview, everything is there, duration, certification. See here, a certificate is issued once a minimum of 80% is achieved in the final quiz section. When you score 80% minimum in quiz section, then you will get the certificate. That is the only condition for the each courses. See here, the entire information is there. After that, for enrolling, click here to get started. Click on it and you can select the language also here. And now you have to create the account. If you don't have account, register it, and if you have already account, so put your username and password. So first we will register on it. Go to the register option. So after that, provide the information, that is your name, job category. Job categories are like student, or if you are working somewhere, then you can mention your position also. Provide your email ID and create a password. Click on it, I am not a robot, reCAPTCHA, then go to the register option. So after providing all information, go to click on register option. See, after registration you have to verify your email address. Go to the Gmail ID or your email address, then verify it. After that you will get username and password, then enter it. See here, I provide my information, then go to the sign in option. So after sign in you will get the option here. See on your profile, here also course is mentioned, so you can directly start the courses here, or go to the e-learning courses and enroll for any courses that you want. Go to the introduction to clinical research and click here to get started. See here, these are the content. You can study the each and every content. Click on topic, learn it. See here, learn the content and complete the study material. See here, 7% is already completed. So in this way you can learn on this website each courses that are available and get the certificate. So now move on to the next website that I will tell you which courses are available and how you can enroll for these courses. So we'll go to the next website. See, here it is, our next website, and the certificate program here. See, these are the topics available, program topic that are available. Under these, various courses are available. See here, the first topic is the child survival, and the course in child survival certificate are, see, these are the topics: pneumonia, immunization essential, newborn sepsis, diarrheal disease, like topic are here. Next topic is the cross-cutting. So M&D, fundamentals, human resources for health, improving health care quality, nutrition, population health and environment, health communication for managers. These are the topics under here. Next topic is early childhood development. Under this, these are the courses: introduction, integrated course, and M&D of holistic ECD program, young vulnerable children, like that topic are here. Next topic is family planning method. Under this, family planning method course is there. Hormone method of contraception, IUD, 5 courses are available. Next topic is family planning programming. Under this, around 16 courses are available. Next topic is gender and health. Under this, 4 topics are available. See here. Next is governance and health. 5 courses are available under this topic. Next topic is health system. So under this, 15 courses are available. Our next popular topic is HIV/AIDS. Under this, 11 courses are available. Next topic is impact evaluation of health communication program. 3 courses are available. Infectious disease, 9 courses are available. Malaria, tuberculosis, antimicrobial resistance, HIV basic biology. These are the courses. Next topic is maternal health. Under this, 11 topics are available. Next topic is monitoring and evaluation. 13 courses are available. 14 courses. Next topic is neonatal health. Under this, 9 courses are available. Next, nutrition, 3 courses are available. Next is organizational change and knowledge management. 8 courses are available. Private sector approaches, 8 courses are available here. And the last topic is reproductive health issues. Under this, 6 topic courses are available. So these are the courses you can learn and get the certificate for each and every topic, and you don't need to pay a single amount for these courses. So now I'll tell you how you can enroll for this course. For example, if I want to do a course on nutrition and introduction, I'll click on this course. Then this page will be open. It will ask login to take this course. So you can register here. Go to the register option. So provide the information and create new account. Then you will go to the sign in option. Under the sign in, enter your email address or username and enter your password and go to the login option. Then you can start the course and learn it. I think video will be so long, that's why I don't want to bore. And if you feel any difficulty, then please comment down so that I can help you. I hope this video will be helpful for everyone, and if you need any help or any suggestion, you can comment below. And if you need any certain course, if you want to do any course, and these courses, if these courses are not available in my videos, then mention it so that I can research on it and provide that course freely for you. If you like our video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll not miss the update of upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.